back to
Dash of Delish, where we make food with mystery ingredients.
Today we are making cinnamon sugar toast with a secret ingredient.
Let's get cooking.
First, you put broil on your oven. We are using our oven because we usually do, so I recommend you do. Okay, now our ingredients. We have cinnamon, sugar.
That's not cinnamon.
Oh. Just kidding. This is sugar and this is cinnamon.
This is white bread and this is a mystery ingredient.
First you mix together 2 tablespoons of sugar
And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon sugar.
Just cinnamon. Okay.
And never do that because next to it.
And you mix and mix.
And you eat your toast. Toasty Mr. Toast. Toasty Toast. You put the toaster, Mr. Toast, in the oven.
Or, well, yeah. After it is toasted on both
You
sides.
put on the mystery ingredient.
And the mystery ingredient
Is
is
applesauce. Because I like applesauce.
Okay.
Okay. I put yeah. Now you put on the cinnamon sugar. We taste it.
Okay. Now for the ratings. 3, 2, 1. Actually, I put it in between the middle and up because it's good, but it's kind of weird. The taste on, like, the applesauce texture is kind of weird, but it tastes okay. But at the same time, cinnamon and applesauce don't really go together to me.
So for me, I did the thumbs up. And I think that's because it's a little bit sour. I don't know how it's sour, but it's a little bit sour. But then when you taste applesauce, it gets a lot more sweet. So that's why I gave it.
Okay, so back to what I said before, the cinnamon and applesauce don't go together. The tastes go together, the textures don't. Applesauce is really like smooth and kind of, and then the cinnamon has like a harder, and it doesn't really